Programming languages are the tools developers use to communicate with computers. Every application, website, and operating system is written using one or more programming languages, but there are hundreds of languages, each designed for different tasks. Some focus on performance, some focus on simplicity, and others are designed for specific platforms. In this video, we'll look at 10 of the most popular programming languages and explain what they are used for. C is one of the oldest and most influential programming languages still widely used today. It was created in the early 1970s at Bell Labs by Dennis Ritchie. C was designed to build operating systems and system software. Because it gives programmers direct control over memory and hardware, it is extremely powerful and efficient. Many operating systems, including parts of Linux, Windows, and Mac OS, rely heavily on C. However, C can be difficult for beginners because it requires manual memory management, and small mistakes can easily cause crashes. C++ was developed in the 1980s by Bjarne Stroustrup as an extension of the C programming language. It adds features like object-oriented programming and more advanced abstractions. C++ is widely used in game development, high-performance software, real-time systems, and browsers. Many game engines and financial systems rely on C++ because of its speed. However, the language is very complex and can be difficult to master. Java was introduced in 1995 by Sun Microsystems. It was designed with portability in mind, meaning programs could run on many different operating systems. Java programs run inside something called the Java Virtual Machine, which allows developers to write a program once and run it almost anywhere. Java became extremely popular for large-scale applications used by companies as well as back-end systems and Android apps. However, Java programs can use more memory and sometimes run slower than lower-level languages. Python was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. It was designed to be simple, readable, and easy to learn. Python is widely used in data science, artificial intelligence, automation, and web development. Many popular tools used in machine learning and data analysis rely heavily on Python. Because of its simple syntax, it is often recommended as a first programming language. However, Python is usually slower than compiled languages like C or C++. JavaScript was created in 1995 by Brendan Eich. It was originally designed to add interactivity to web pages inside browsers. Today, JavaScript powers most modern websites and can also run on servers using environments like Node.js. It is used to build interactive interfaces, web applications, and even mobile apps. Because every browser supports JavaScript, it has become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. However, JavaScript can sometimes be confusing because of its unusual behavior and constantly evolving ecosystem. C# was developed by Microsoft in the early 2000s as part of the .NET platform. It is commonly used to build Windows applications, enterprise software, and back-end services. C# is also the main language used in the Unity game engine, which powers many video games. The language is known for strong development tools and good performance. However, it is closely tied to the Microsoft ecosystem, which can limit its flexibility compared to some other languages. Rust is a modern programming language focused on safety and performance. It was first released in 2010 by Mozilla. Rust was designed to prevent many common memory errors that occur in languages like C and C++. It achieves this through a strict system that checks how memory is used during compilation. Rust is increasingly used for system software, browsers, and performance-critical services. However, its strict rules can make the language harder for beginners to learn. Go, also known as Golang, was developed at Google and released in 2009. It was designed to simplify building large server applications and cloud systems. Go focuses on simplicity, fast compilation, and built-in support for handling many tasks at the same time. Because of this, it is widely used in networking tools, cloud platforms, and back-end services. Technologies like Docker and Kubernetes are written in Go. However, Go is sometimes criticized for lacking some advanced language features. Swift was introduced by Apple in 2014 as a replacement for Objective-C. It was designed to be modern, safe, and easier to write than older Apple development languages. Swift is mainly used to build applications for iPhones, iPads, Macs, and other Apple devices. It is fast and integrates closely with Apple's development tools. However, Swift is mostly limited to Apple's ecosystem, which means it is not commonly used for cross-platform development. Kotlin was developed by JetBrains and officially supported by Google for Android development in 2017. It runs on the Java Virtual Machine and works seamlessly with existing Java code. Kotlin focuses on reducing repetitive code and improving safety with features like built-in null protection. Because of these improvements, Kotlin has become the preferred language for modern Android applications. However, outside of Android development, it is still less widely used than some older languages. These programming languages all exist because different types of software require different tools. Some languages focus on speed and low-level control, while others prioritize simplicity and developer productivity. Together, they form the foundation of the software that powers modern computers, websites, mobile apps, and cloud services. If you want more tech explained simply like this, subscribe.